And welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhi Sahni and you are watching Dr. Surbhi Sahni dental series and medical videos. Although we are just waiting for the official notification regarding the NEET PG Counseling 2023 as well as for the NEET MDS Counseling 2023. But as I have told you earlier also in my previous video that these two courses counseling are just like the front tires of a car. If some changes come in NEET PG 2023 counseling, definitely might be some impact will be there on NEET MDS 2023. So we have talked about and I have already told you that I'm gonna sum up that what's going on in NEET PG 2023 counseling so that we can have some idea that what will be happen in NEET MDS 2023 counseling whenever it gets start, then what will happen. There might be the seats increase or not. So what will be the impact? So for all this scenario, we need to go through the NEET PG 2023 counseling scenario, the seat incrementation which is going on. And now today also video is all about the seat incrementation or the seat increased in NEET PG 2023, that too state wise and that too till the date of 28th April 2023. So it's my humble request, you can watch this video till the end, no matter whether you are a NEET PG aspirant or whether you are a NEET MDS aspirant. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new on my channel and press all, because that will give you the notification of all my upcoming videos. Today in this video I am gonna talk about something that is related to the total PG seats available, that too in your state, including the government PG seats or the private PG seats, right? And that too till now, that means till the 28th April 2023, including the diploma seats also, not DNB diploma but the simple diploma seats also, the courses which are present in MD/MS colleges. We will see about at which point or at which number the DNB diploma seats has been increased till 28th April 2023. The total number of seats available, that is for the MD/MS courses or the simple diploma courses, that too present on the official website of NMC, and that too till the date of 28th April 2023. So that number is 46,223. The non-sponsored seats are total 4,708 in number, followed by the post MBBS diploma seats are there, that is 2,945 in number. State-wise MD/MS or the diploma seats, including the government seats as well as the private college seats. So in Andhra Pradesh, the total seats are 2,765 seats. That is for MD/MS and diploma, simple diploma courses, right? Followed by in Assam, there is 683 seats. In Bihar, 1,080 seats. Chandigarh, there is 473 seats. In Chhattisgarh, 534 seats. In Delhi, 2,216 seats. Followed by Goa, it is having 121 seats, the MD/MS seats and the diploma seats. Then if we see the seats in Gujarat, then it is 2,490. Followed by in Haryana, it is 723. In Himachal, it is 346 seats. In Jammu and Kashmir, the total number of seats are 569. In Jharkhand, the total number of seats available is 259. In Karnataka, we are having the maximum number of seats in Karnataka, and that's why the Karnataka state is on the top. That is, it is having the seats total number, that is 5,703. That is on top for sure. By the Kerala has 1,618 seats, yani ki 16-18 seats. That is 1,618 seats are there in Kerala. Followed by in MP, the total number of seats are 1,907. In case of Maharashtra, Maharashtra is considered to be the second most highest state which has the maximum number of MD, MS or diploma seats, but that's why the first number is for the Karnataka, followed by the second number is for the Maharashtra, and the total number of seats there are 5,406. Followed by the Manipur has total number of seats, that is 236. Meghalaya has just 33 seats. Odisha has 1,067 seats. Pondicherry has 915. Punjab has 718 seats. Rajasthan has 2,712 seats. Followed by the Sikkim has just 34 seats. Followed by the Tamil Nadu is the third state where we have the maximum number of MD, MS or diploma seats. That is 4,271 seats in Tamil Nadu. Telangana has 2,670 seats. Tripura has just total number of seats, that is 85 in number. Followed by the Uttarakhand, it has 1,230 seats. Followed by the fourth number for the MD, MS diploma seats is the Uttar Pradesh. Yes, it has 3,547 seats of MD, MS or diploma courses. Followed by last but not the least is the West Bengal. It has 1,806 seats of MD, MS or diploma courses. Similarly, about the state-wise seat increment or the total number of seats available, including the government college seats, private college seats, clinical branch seats, non-clinical branch seats, state-wise. Similarly, if we see the round 1 counselling and the round 2 counselling of the upcoming NEET PG 2023 counselling, definitely the chances are there that there will be the negative impact or there will be in the negative form. वो negative जाएंगे ही जाएंगे, that is for sure. Right? So that's all about the today's video. Hope you like this video. Then hit the like button. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel. And if you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen.